Hi, this is Tamika from Money Miracles and Manifesting. And today we're going to be talking about goal trauma. And I know you're like, what is goal trauma? Actually, in the many years that I've been teaching about money and helping people clear money blocks, I found out that many people have goal trauma. So, goal trauma is when you had a goal and it could be a big goal and you really put your heart into it, you work towards it, you may have put so much effort and belief behind that goal, knowing that you can make it. People are around you saying, maybe you shouldn't go after that dream, maybe you should be realistic, maybe you should do something else to take care of yourself. And you had this undying undeniable belief in yourself and in your dream, and that the universe is going to help you, that possibilities will open up. And what you experienced was a lot of pain. You may have experienced pain from not reaching a goal, many years sacrificing, your relationships with your children, your relationships with your partner, because you believed. And over time, people may have fallen off and gone into unbelief or disbelief about your ability, but you're like, I know I can do it. I'm going to stay on. And it didn't happen. You may have experienced some goal trauma, or you have been able to reach a level of a success. You have been able to reach a level of success in reaching your goals. These are your precious goals, your goals that you're going for it no matter what no one says. You experience a lot of difficulty and pain in experiencing that goal. So even though you're having the goal, associated with it also is pain, because you had to give up so much. Maybe you lost some of your health in order to reach that goal. You reached the goal, but now you're sick, you have high blood pressure, you have diabetes, you're obese. And then this could traumatize you and put and negatively or adversely affect you going after your dream even more, even harder, even with more enthusiasm, let's put it that way. Or maybe you totally reached your goal. You're like, yes, I did it. But now you're at the goal and you're like, is this all there is? It's like you don't have your relationships, you don't have your friendships, your health has gone away, and you're like, loved ones have, you've been isolated for one reason or another. You're successful and you reach your goal, but you're like, oh my goodness, it kind of traumatized you because the success wasn't, you're not experiencing the success as a state of well-being and enjoyment and fun. It's more of that you put in all of that work, that hard work, and now you're there, but you can't enjoy it. You're experiencing more of the disconnect or the depression or the guilt or the all of these things. So I'm doing a workshop, Ignite Your Top 2024 Goals, Clearing Goal Trauma. If this resonates with you, come and check out the workshops and programs where I help you clear systematically money blocks to having more income, savings, and building your wealth. All right, blessings. Manifest more money and miracles this year, 2024.